Alright, quick update. We finished this window. The tabs that hold the window onto the regulator were broken. But rolls up nice. We're also starting to shine the other side of the roof, and I'll make a video when I get a little bit farther. Alright, I'm going to show you guys my favorite part about this car. This car's been sitting all night. You can see I'm touching the exhaust manifold, so it's totally cold. Hasn't been run. I'm going to show you what I love about this car. All you got to do one pump, 2 pumps to the pedal. Starts right up. No smoke, no knocking. That's my favorite part. After you replace all the ignition stuff and everything else, it keeps on running. Another thing that we were able to do is we finally got able to clean up all the paint on the roof. It's not perfect, you know, considering it's so old. There's still some spots and stuff, but cleaned up pretty good. And next is the hood, so I'm hoping that will clean up just as nice. Let me show you one more cool thing. I really hope you can see this. But I found these in the glove box the other day. And if you look right here, this has a date of 5/4/69, I believe. The car had 75,000 miles. There's one of 8/3/68. The car had 72,000 miles. I think that's all of them, yep. And if you look right now, 79. So those stickers in the window are pretty legit, saying that it's only gone, you know, in 70. It was actually at 79,000. So just want to show you guys that.